Good morning, students. In today's video, we'll start with a new chapter, which is articles. Now, what are articles? The words a and the are called articles, and they are used to refer to some specific or non-specific items, things, persons, places, objects, etc. Now, article can be divided into two categories. The first one is the definite article, which is the, and the second is indefinite articles, which are a and an. Now, what is definite article? Definite article the is used when we refer to a specific person, a specific place, a specific thing, a specific item, object. So, in that case, we use the. For example, that's the man I was talking about. So, in this line, we are talking about a particular man that I was talking about. So, that's the man I was talking about. Now, coming to indefinite articles. Now, indefinite articles are the one which are used like and they are used when we refer to things which are not specific. For example, an elephant, a tiger. So, here an elephant and a tiger. So, the elephant and tiger can be any elephant or tiger. We are not talking about a specific elephant and specific elephant or a specific tiger. They are very non-specific here. So, we are using a and an. Now, coming to the uses, general uses concerning articles. Firstly, let's see when we use definite articles the. Generally, the is used to refer to something that has already been mentioned. Like I told you, that's the man I was talking about. So, here the is used to refer to the man I was talking about. Means we have already spoken about that man. He's already been mentioned. So, we are using the here. Next, we use the in sentences where we define or identify a particular person or thing. For example, I scratched the red car parked outside. So, in this sentence, we are talking about the one particular car, which is the red car, which was parked outside. Now, the is also used to refer to people or objects that are unique, like the sun, the sky, the president. We also use the before superlatives and ordinal numbers, like the highest building in the world, the highest building in the world. So, we are using the before the superlative highest here. The third time. So, we are using the before the ordinal number third here. We also use the with adjectives to refer to a whole group of people, like the Indian, the French, the poor. We use the with decades, like he was born in the 70s. And finally and lastly, we use the with proper nouns, all categories of proper nouns, like the Arctic Ocean, the Philippines, the United States of America. So, that was it for the uses of the. Now, coming to the uses of indefinite articles, which are a and an. Now, the article a is used before a singular or countable nouns with consonant sounds. I repeat, consonant sound. For example, he is a teacher. Now here the word teacher begins with a consonant sound t. So that's why we are using a teacher. Now coming to an. We use an before a singular or countable nouns beginning with vowel sounds, like an actor. Actor begins with a consonant sounds a. So that is why an actor. An hour. So hour starts with the alphabet H, which is a consonant, but we are talking about consonant vowel sound and consonant sound. So hour, though it starts with a consonant H, but when we pronounce it, it starts with a. Hour. So that is why we are using an before it. An hour. Now remember one thing, a and an cannot be used with plural nouns. So these are the basic things that you need to know about articles. Now at the end of the video, I'll write down a few links where you can find all the uses of articles, plus about the omission of articles, means where articles should not be used. So go through them properly so that you understand the concept better. And see you in the next video. Till then, take care.